Guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we're going to be talking about symptoms of a bad VVT solenoid. So VVT solenoids, or oil control valve as they're also called, are one of the greatest inventions in the car industry. They help combustion engines to increase performance and increase efficiency. Unfortunately, these solenoids can also fail, which can result in expensive repairs. So the most common symptoms of a bad VVT solenoid is a check engine light on your dash. You might also have issues with performance like rough idling, rough acceleration, increased fuel consumption, or low engine power. So with the help of the ECU, which is your car's computer, which most modern cars, if not all modern cars, have these days, if it notices any issues with any of the sensors, and the VVT has also a sensor connected to it, which is connected to the ECU, it's gonna trigger a check engine light. All right, so that's gonna be the first thing that you notice would be a check engine light. If you guys have an OBD2 scanner, you guys could plug it in and scan it. If one of the codes for the VVT comes up, you guys know that the VVT, either one or two of the VVT solenoids will have issues. You also have rough idling. The VVT solenoid adjusts the camshaft timing when your car is running at idle. This is because the idling should be as smooth as possible. A very retarded or camshaft timing will make it very difficult for the engine to not drop too low on RPM and stall. If you notice weird idling patterns with your car, it could be because of a faulty VVT solenoid. You could also have rough acceleration. The main purpose of the VVT solenoid is to adjust the camshaft timing so you have effective and smooth engine operation at different RPMs. If it fails, you might find that if you accelerate, acceleration will be rough, and it might even cause misfires when accelerating. If you have rough acceleration together with a check engine light on your dash, there's a possibility that your VVT valve might have issues. You guys could also have increased fuel consumption. VVT solenoid manages the valve's opening and closing times to ensure that efficient fuel consumption is maintained. If the VVT is malfunctioning, it results in inefficient fuel consumption. So if you notice a significant increase in your average fuel consumption and smell of unburned fuel, it is very likely that your variable valve timing sensor is defective. You also have low engine performance. The VVT solenoid was innovated to increase the power on higher RPMs while keeping a steady engine performance at lower RPMs. Therefore, a faulty VVT solenoid can cause the performance to drop a lot if it does not advance the camshaft during acceleration. So there you have it. Those are the symptoms of a bad VVT solenoid. I just want to let you guys know. All right, VVT solenoids are not expensive. I mean, relatively speaking, it's not as far as repair concerned, or replacement of the VVTs solenoids. They're not very expensive. If you guys want to, you guys could either get new VVT solenoids, buy one from eBay or Amazon or AutoZone, whatever, and swap them out. All right, and on top of that, they're not very difficult. All right, but for the most part, if you guys have issues with the VVT solenoids, you guys getting VVT codes, what you guys should do is you guys should try to clean the solenoids first. A lot of times what happens is dirty fuel, sludge oil could cause that. Dirty oil can cause that. Sludge oil can cause that. You guys might want to change your engine oil. All right, you guys want to make sure that the engine oil is topped off, and the VVTs themselves have little screeners, filters. Those are the things, you know, if they get clogged, it'll definitely have a deteriorating effect on your VVT functioning. So definitely clean the filters out, change your oil, and top it off, and hopefully that'll fix your issue. In any case, you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It'll probably help somebody else out. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.